Welcome back to our channel, your go-to place for everything home design. Today we're diving into the world of Scandinavian design, specifically, how to make the most of small spaces. Scandi homes are known for their minimalist, functional, and cozy vibes, but designing a small space can still be challenging. That's why I'm sharing 6 insider tips and tricks to help you create a beautiful and functional Scandi-inspired space, no matter the size. If you love all things interior design, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell for more inspiration. Let's get started. Tip 1. Embrace minimalism. Scandinavian design is all about keeping things simple, functional, and clutter-free. In a small space, every piece of furniture and decor should serve a purpose. Stick to the essentials and choose items that are both beautiful and practical. This will create a sense of calm and openness, even in the smallest rooms. Tip 2. Opt for light, neutral colors. Light colors are key in Scandi design and are especially important in small spaces. Soft grays and beiges reflect natural light, making your space feel larger and more open. You can add warmth and texture with natural materials like wood, wool, and linen in similar tones. Tip 3. Maximize natural light. Scandinavians are masters at making the most of natural light, which is especially important in smaller spaces. Keep window treatments light, and airy sheer curtains or even no curtains at all can help let in as much light as possible. Mirrors are also a great trick, they reflect light and create the illusion of a larger space. Tip 4. Choose multifunctional furniture. In a small Scandi space, every piece of furniture should work hard. Look for items that serve multiple purposes, like a sofa bed, a dining table that doubles as a workspace, or a coffee table with hidden storage. This not only saves space but also keeps your home organized and clutter-free. Tip 5. Incorporate natural elements. Bringing the outside in is a key aspect of Scandinavian design. Add warmth and texture to your small space with natural materials like wood, leather, and stone. Houseplants are another must. They add a touch of nature, purify the air, and create a fresh, inviting atmosphere. Even in a small space, a few well-placed plants can make a big impact. Tip 6. Keep it cozy with Haga. The Danish concept of Haga, or coziness, is central to Scandi design. In a small space, you can create a cozy nook with soft textiles, like wool throws, cushions, and rugs. Layering textures and adding soft, warm lighting, like candles or a statement lamp, will make your space feel inviting and comfortable, perfect for relaxing after a long day. And there you have 6 insider tips and tricks for designing a small Scandi-inspired home. By embracing minimalism, choosing light colors, maximizing natural light, opting for multifunctional furniture, incorporating natural elements, and keeping it cozy with hygiene, you can create a stylish, functional, and welcoming space, no matter how small. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with anyone who loves Scandi design. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more home design tips and inspiration. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.